Abide app daily scripture study. Read, reflect, pray, grow. So here's the app. Abide is a daily reading and reflection app that helps you build a consistent Bible study habit. Each day, receive a curated scripture passage. Focus with it built-in timer. Meditate on its meaning and track your spiritual growth over time. It's more than reading; it's a structured path to live out God's word daily. Daily reading, mission reading timer, prayers and wisdom reflections, complete Bible access, reading report and progress tracker, find daily wisdom and reflection, and then you can just do it in here. So that's just what you have. And then you can just get started, and then you can just see this.
So there's 3 exercises.
And then just proceed with the app. So that's how you can just study, but there are a lot of ads in here, so that's just what it is.